some people might be asking this question. I just browsed YouTube and I couldn't find the answer to it. So I have a traditional doorbell that we're going to replace with the Ring doorbell. So okay, so that's how it was meant to be. There's a little tube there coming out of the house, 2 wires, that's like 24-volt AC, and then it just had springs on the side. It was pushed in. So that's how you take down or off a traditional doorbell. So we'll have these two and then these 2 ends will be secured to these 2 wires here. So now that we have these 2 connections, we'll throw them back into the box and mount. Let's do a little bit more. There we go. Just do this. Oh. Yeah. This is our video doorbell, the Ring. Come on down, visit me, and you will be on candid camera. Let's put this on the front door at the garage at the front of the house.